Here is a recipe for roast beef. Ingredients: 1 beef roast, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoons dried thyme, 2 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1 cup beef broth, 1/2 cup red wine. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a small bowl, mix together the olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, dried thyme, garlic powder, and onion powder to make a spice rub. Rub the spice mixture all over the beef roast, making sure to coat all sides evenly. Place the beef roast on a roasting pan or oven-safe skillet, fat side up. Pour the beef broth and red wine into the bottom of the pan, being careful not to pour it directly onto the roast. Roast the beef in the preheated oven for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the roast reads 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, 145 degrees Fahrenheit for medium, or 160 degrees Fahrenheit for well done. Remove the roast from the oven and let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your delicious roast beef with your favorite sides, such as roasted vegetables or mashed potatoes.